specific illegal corruption exclusively aging against foreign countries. Referring to the recommendation of the above-mentioned Parliamentary Financial Commission study, the Kohal administration decided to maintain the legality of the corruption against the official exclusively in a foreign transaction and confirm the full deductibility of the bribery money and con-financing. Thus, a specific nationalist corruption practice for $ABs and 5 and 10 STG valid until 19 March 1999. In contradiction to the 1994 OECD recommendation, the respective laws was not changed before the OECD convention. Also in Germany came into the force according to the Parliamentary Financial Commission study. However, in 1994, most countries' corruption practices were not nationalistic and much more limited by the respective laws compared to the Germany. Development of the shadow economy in the Germany 1975 and 2015. Originally, shadow economy dated from the Friedrich Schneider University links, particularly the non-disclosure of the bribery money recipients' names in tax declarations had been a powerful instrument for legal corruption during the 1990s for German corporations, enabling them to block foreign legal jurisdictions which intend to fight corruption in their countries. Hence, they uncontrolled established a strong network of the clientelism around Europe and Siemens, along with the formations of the European single market in the upcoming European Union and the Eurozone. Moreover, in order to future strengthening active corruption, the prosecution of tax evasion during that decades had been severely limited. German tax authorities were instructed to refuse any disclosure of the bribery recipient names from tax declarations to the German criminal prosecution. As a result, German corporations have been systematically increasing their informal economy from 1980 to until today up to the 1950 billion euro per annum, this continuously feeding their black money's reserves. In Simon's corruption case in 2007, Simon was convicted in the district court of the Darmstadt of the criminal corruption against the Italian corporation Annual Power SPA. Siemens had paid almost 3.5 million euros in the bribes to the selected for a 200 euro millions project for the Italian corporation, partially owned by the government. The deal was handled through black money accounts in Switzerland and Liechtenstein that were established specifically for such a purpose. Because the crime was committed in 1999 after the OECD convention had came into force, this foreign corrupt practice could be prosecuted. It was the first time a German court of law convicted foreign corrupt practice like a national practice, although the corresponding laws did not yet protect foreign competitor in the businesses. During the judicial proceeding, it was disclosed that numerous such black accounts had been established in the past decades.